tomorrow morning. But yeah, the rain, we had that first this morning. You can see up to an inch across parts of the shore. Wildwood over an inch there. Quarter of an inch in Philadelphia. So again, this was beneficial rain, but not the way you want to start your work week. Cloudy skies all across the area. Visibility down, mostly areas northwest of Philadelphia. And again, you can see the stream of moisture. Heavier showers across parts of Virginia, Maryland, but still light and scattered, and still seeing some heavy showers across parts of Delaware and also into South Jersey. So you're going to get pockets here or there in those particular areas as we go on through the next couple of hours. But a big temp change compared to just 24 hours ago by 10 degrees in some locations, and many of us didn't even get out of the 40s for today. I mean, this is so cold. Our average for this time of year is 61 degrees, and you're sitting at the 30s in Mount Pocono and widespread 40s across the area. So again, over the next few hours, staying confined to parts of Delaware and our shore communities. Then we get the clearing going on. So it's a damp stroll cast for this evening and chilly as well. And as that clearing continues, look at the wind chills for tonight. 20s. I know it's hard to believe, but it is going to be very, very cold out at the bus stop, and then the wind kicks into gear, gusts up to 40 miles per hour. We'll talk more about how long that wind will stick around and this cold weather coming up in just a few, guys.
All right, thank you, Michelle.
So many steps backwards in terms of the temperatures, what it's going to feel like tomorrow morning. It has been a gloomy day across the area. We've all been battling the rain showers. Visibility down in some spots across the area, especially northwest, down to 2 miles for Bluebell, 3 for Reading, 3 for Westchester. Not so much down the shore in Delaware. We're starting to see a lot of that shower activity working its way off the shore, but the cloudy skies, that is going to stick around for quite some time. We probably won't see that all wrap up here until we get to around like the 2 a.m. hour, and then things will start to clear. We've also had a little bit of a breeze, not much, but this is going to look different, especially tomorrow. Right now we have this onshore flow. Not only has it just been keeping things pretty chilly at the shore, but even further inland, again, feeling like widespread low 40s, 30s for Coatesville, Reading, Allentown. You forget that we're in spring season here and what month we're in, but it is going to be a chilly one tonight. Again, clouds for the evening planner, but overnight that clearing will happen. So you will have the sunshine tomorrow morning, but it is going to feel like the 20s. Temperatures will be in the 30s, and then the winds, look at that, they kick up. So coming up, we'll talk about this cold shot of air and how long it will stick around, how we stay below average, and also more rain chances in the forecast. Tracy.
More rain chances.
That we start to see this huge swing, this trough, this dip in the jet stream move right across our area. It's not just us. Don't worry. We're all in the same boat. We're all in this together through at least Friday, and then we might start to get some improvements, but it's just a big spring chill. I mean, even by the time we get to Friday, you're looking at just below average temperatures. Average this time of year, 61 degrees. In between two systems tomorrow, you've got windy conditions. Temperatures will be in the 40s, but with gusts nearing 40 miles per hour, it is going to feel like the 30s in the afternoon. Prepare for that. Less wind on Wednesday. You have temperatures in the 50s. Let's talk about the gusts that you can expect. Now, sustained winds could be 20, 30 miles per hour, but in the afternoon, look at those oranges and reds. We ramp up here over 40 miles per hour potentially in some locations. So secure any lawn furniture. Not that the weather's been super great that you might have any lawn furniture just out there, you know. We didn't spend too much time outdoors this weekend. It was kind of rainy, but you do want to do that because you're still dealing with the gusty winds. And also Tuesday morning, tomorrow morning, you're looking at wind chills in the 20s and again, feeling like the 30s. Not a lot of improvement. We take you now into Wednesday morning, and it is going to be very, very chilly where you have feels like temperatures in the low 20s, potentially maybe some upper teens across the area. So yeah, you need the big, thick sweaters once again. Break it all back out, and then you can get the umbrellas back out by the time you look at rain chances for the end of the week, Thursday all the way through Sunday, especially Friday. Want to give you a glimpse into that. Now, again, timing can change. The precipitation rates can change, but for Thursday, some light and spotty showers to start off the morning throughout the afternoon hours. Then we get into Friday. And I can say this, Friday it looks like a washout. I mean, and this is a consistent pattern that we are seeing with heavy rainfall through the afternoon hours, right on through the evening as well. This would carry on over into Saturday morning and hopefully clearing out by Saturday afternoon. But no matter what, the second day of the weekend looking better for us on Sunday. Boundary here, stationary, meaning not moving too much. A lot of the showers, though, offshore. This is that cold front, this secondary cold front that's really just going to just clear us out and drop our temperatures as we go on here. So evening in the city, you got the 40s, you got cloudy skies. And again, as that clearing comes, our numbers themselves could fall into the 20s in the suburbs. But with the wind, it is going to feel like that, especially tomorrow morning and Wednesday morning. Again, you got less wind on Wednesday morning and throughout the day. I think it will feel decent in the afternoon hours, but then the rain chances kick back into gear. Next week, though, if we could just skip ahead, looking fantastic, Tracy. Is stopping. Okay, so some good news there. All right, widespread chill. Look at this trough and look how deep this digs across the area, not just for us, but for everyone that is going to be experiencing this. And this lasts until Friday. So this is a big spring chill that we are talking about. Even by the time you get into Friday, you are still looking at temperatures that are going to be below average. Average for this time of year, 61 degrees. You got two systems, one leaving, high pressure moving in, windy conditions in between it. So again, windy throughout the day for tomorrow, and temperatures will be in the 40s. But yes, it will be a cold start by the time we do get into your Wednesday. Sunny skies do come back for us on Tuesday and Wednesday, but again, it's just going to be chilly and breezy. So 50s in the forecast for Wednesday. Let's talk tomorrow. Your sustained wind gusts 20 to 30 miles per hour, but your gusts in the afternoon up to 40 miles per hour, and that will make it feel so much colder. So waking up tomorrow morning, as you're getting the kiddos ready, you need just the heavy sweaters, the extra layers. Once again, you might have stashed it away. Get it out tonight. Widespread feels like temperatures in the 20s for you and feeling like the 30s in the afternoon. And again, by the time you go into Wednesday morning, though the winds will back off Wednesday morning, it is going to be feeling like the 20s. So it's a couple of days that we have this just lingering chill, this winter-like chill. Now we can say that because we are in spring. So we are taking a couple steps back. We say goodbye to the rain chances for those couple of days with the chill, and then we trade the chill for some rain, and that does move in across the area for your Thursday. More so for Friday. We're watching Saturday very closely, and so again, I think a lot of models might be flipping back and forth on that, but this is just some guidance to show you that Thursday you have the light rainfall across the area scattered, but Friday it is just a heavy soaking rain that you are going to be dealing with pretty much throughout the entire day, with some pockets of just intense rain. Right now, the stationary boundary right offshore, still socked in with the cloud coverage across the area, unfortunately, but we will see that clearing. But as we see that clearing tonight, we are going to see the temperatures fall into the 30s. And as I mentioned, the winds are going to be kicking up. So it's going to be feeling like the 20s tomorrow morning. And I know it says 40s, but again, feeling like the 30s, a very cold start for you on Wednesday morning. Rain chances ramping back up. We'll watch and see if it can just clear out for us throughout part of the day on Saturday. Sunday looking much better. And next week, guys, looking better as the Phillies return. You got 60s and 70s returning as well.
And Michelle, the NBC 10 First Alert weather team is marking a major accomplishment for the 10th year in a row in the country. So huge congratulations.
Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. I mean, it's so exciting to be part of the team. It's a true team effort. Every day we fill out those forecasting sheets and we just get down to like the nitty gritty. And it's about the timing, how much rain within like 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So yeah, all the details matter.
And obviously you do a great job at it.
Well, thank you.
Yes.
Appreciate it.
One of the best in the biz.
And here's to the next 10, as I said.
Yes.
Yes.
Keep it going.
Yes.
All right, Michelle, thank you.
Good work.
John Clark standing by.